Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
It's Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar pattern still remains somewhat negative. Because of that is that the fact that the MACD, which is holding negative, the RSI is struggling at the midway point, and therefore all eyes look towards this support line, which is around 72.10 to around 15. If we see a break of this level, this would immediately expose the region of 71.30.45 as a measured move. We could even see it lower, measuring from the top side of this head here to this line, gives you a target of 69 as a broader sense. Tomorrow is the RBA, so no doubt all eyes will be on the statement to see if it's more dovish. And if it's so, then we would see a little bit more action to the bear case. As you can see, the euro is still holding above the level of 117.50. After a brief spike to the upside, this support line is now resistance. I do ascertain that with the FOMC meeting this week, could see a slightly stronger US dollar and therefore see a pullback towards this level of 117.5. If broken, then it could open the way towards 116 to 115.5 as a new objective. Little to say on dollar yen as it holds within this engulfing candle for at least 10 or 11 days and therefore does look like a slightly bearish case. Now we see a close under 105.90, then yes, I'll be calling it down to 105 and then with a possible target where this market found bullishness around 104. The pound has reached its target around this level, as you can see here that I've outlined. If I just click it once, around 127.5. We are extremely oversold. I don't have a view at these levels. You can draw a resistant line in there, and as you can see that if we get a break somewhere around 129, could see a recovery back towards the top side. However, if we close under 127.5, then that would give further exposure down to the 125 region, and therefore would see the sterling yen fall even further, not to 135 to about 132. So keep an eye on that and continue to adjust your stop losses and take profit according to your risk management. The market is still holding above this level of 1,926. Now we'd see a break of this level that would give further indication towards the downside to 1,900 to 1,860.80 area. But there is a bit of bullish divergence, so I'm a little bit cautious on this call. Let's see how it all plays out, because with the Fed, if the dollar does strengthen, then gold will be under pressure. And finishing up with the oil, the market has taken a bit of a pause here. As you can see, it's finding support roughly around $37 a barrel. I do anticipate the market should start climbing as the RSI is supporting this. Let's see if we can get back to 39.5. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out the intraday report. Hope you enjoy the great start to this new day and to the new week.